Model, 2017 Citroën Relay 35 Heavy L4X Long Wheelbase, 2.0 BlueHDi H2 Van 130 PS Enterprise Body, White, Panel Van Mileage, 200589 MOT. The 21st of November 2023 Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUDA Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, air con, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £5,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.